go.
So atrocious. It's ginger, salt. In this video, I'll take you along baking everything for coffee hour for my church. So let's go to the store.
There's not any cake flour here.
So the next item is molasses.
Okay, we actually found cake flour, so we came back.
So there was this lady, and she was watching Maria trying to take a video of herself, and it was really odd.
Are you videoing it right
Yes.
now?
So atrocious. So atrocious. Atrocious. So sugar cookies and gingerbread men are on the agenda today. So let's go. So I have my chilled dough that's rolled out and all ready. And I'm just gonna start making the cutout. So let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna be doing a star, Christmas tree in a circle that I'm gonna pipe the manger to. So we will do that. So I'm gonna start with the stars. I have the dough about probably a 1/4 inch thick. And I just cut it right on the parchment paper and it's really easy. Cream together 1 cup of granulated sugar and a large egg with my vanilla egg. 2 teaspoons of baking soda with a 1/2 cup of boiling water. This is supposed to make the cookies really soft. The molasses and butter should end up forming a really sticky sauce. It's not quite there yet, but we're getting there. And also I have ground cloves, ginger, salt, and cinnamon. Alright, now we're going to carefully add in this. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of flour at a time for a total of 6 cups. I'm going to roll out the dough, and the dough must be hot at all times, so I gotta work quickly and dunk them in a glaze over here. And we're just going to cut. So I'm gonna do these small gingerbread first. That looks a little bit. Dunk them in the icing really fast and then right out of the oven and put them on dry.
The next day, I also made 2 loaves of orange bread and chocolate chip cookies. And we'll move on to the gluten-free brownies. I just mixed the cocoa powder and butter together, and then I weighed out my chocolate, and then added in the chocolate chips to the hot mixture and let them melt. And then I whisked together 2 eggs and granulated sugar until the mixture is really pale and light in color. I'm going to use tapioca starch. It has a consistency like cornstarch, and I found that it produces the least amount of grittiness when you make gluten-free brownies. I just made a big batch of thick white royal icing. And make sure you keep a wet paper towel so it doesn't dry out. And I'm just gonna change the consistency and add different colors. And then over here, this is my projector. I'll show you how to make it. Instead of buying a cookie projector, you can just draw it on like the plastic and then shine a light through. You always want to add the food coloring before changing consistency because that will add more liquid into the icing. So I'm trying to make brown with black, yellow, and red. Added more red and now it looks like this. And this is the design I'm going for. Now the consistency is like toothpaste for the outlining. I'm gonna tie this up and you want to work quickly because it will dry out. Not going very well right now because there's just so much in this batch turned too runny. Okay, this is the finished product. They are a little bit messy, but I think that they'll be okay because some of them look okay. Like that one's pretty good, you know? On Sunday morning, the day of church, I added on glaze to the orange bread. So here's the final spread. The gluten-free brownies, the gingerbread men, I have like 3 different containers of them. And then the orange bread I put on the glaze, which looks really nice. And then chocolate chip cookies. And then finally the sugar cookies. There's 2 rows of them.